Can I teach myself art without going to art school? Hi, I'm Renee and welcome to my channel. Like so many others, I was told that I could never live off of my art. And with the arrival of 2025, I have seen so many people have success with their art online over the years. And I asked myself, why can't I? All I have to do is believe in myself, even if no one else does. How will I know that art is meant for me until I try? I've spent too many years telling myself that I'll start when I feel confident in my abilities, and that day still isn't here. Only experience can give me the knowledge, and the only way to gain the knowledge and confidence is through action. Now I realize confidence doesn't come before action, it comes after. Growing up, I spent hours doodling in my notebooks, dreaming of one day becoming an artist, but as I grew up, I let that dream slip. Now, as a mom, I want to reignite that spark and prove to myself and my son that it's never too late. My son is my biggest fan, and I really want to show him and my nieces and nephews what we can accomplish once we put our minds to it. My son really believes in me, and I can't let him down. What kind of message would I send if I ignored his belief in me and what he believes I could accomplish? So I recently came across this post by Radiorunner, who has laid out a roadmap of how to teach yourself art. It's like an art school curriculum, but self-paced. I want to follow this roadmap while tailoring it to my own unique needs. I will try to link the post down below. According to the curriculum, we have 9 terms, 3 units per term, and 1 month for each unit. That gives us about 2 years of lessons to follow. I'm going to do my best to be disciplined and stick to the schedule. Granted that there might be the occasional sick day or times when my schedule won't leave space for my studies, but I am committed to this journey now. I'm also new to digital art and plan to paint digitally throughout this challenge. I am choosing to start with digital art because that is what I currently have access to. I've done a couple other paintings previously, but nothing that gave me real experience that I could really have a jumping off point. I will leave all the details about the software and tools I use in the description below. I'm someone who is more shy and reserved, staying within my comfort zone. But if my 20s have taught me anything, it's that staying comfortable isn't how anyone has gained success. Are you on a similar journey of self-teaching? What has been the most helpful resource for you? I'd love to hear from you. If you'd like to join me on this journey, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will also be adding some, speed paintings along the way and things in between each month of lessons. In my next video, I'll break down the first unit and share my plans for tackling it. I can't wait to start this adventure with you.